So there was a blizzard not long ago. It lasted just a little while. We had some pretty good gusts, but not much came out of it. Okay, maybe it wasn't a blizzard, but we had some pretty good gusts. But we got some snow. December 4th, by the way. That happens in parts of the world that aren't Tennessee. Maybe Gatlinburg. Whatever. Tennessee's a cool place anyway. There was some really strong wind, and the snow. Right now, it's going about like this. Well, maybe more like this. It was going about like that though, regularly for about 30 minutes or so. Anyway, that video is uploaded to my Facebook account, so if you got me there, you can view it. I'll probably be posting another video of a blizzard sometime soon, especially if it kicks up again. So this may be video 1 for today. Enjoy life wherever you are. If you're not, you got the power to make it awesome, so make it awesome.